Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where is the setting button location on your MSI gaming monitor. Okay, as you can see in front of you is the 24-inch gaming monitor model G24 series. Okay, and I think most of the MSI monitor will be using that button at almost the same location. Okay, to find it, you can see on the back of your monitor. Just okay, take it out like this, and then okay, on the back of your monitor you will see a red button here. You can just use it like a joystick of the so it will using like a joystick of the gaming console. You can rotate like this, press on it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use that red button. Just now select, press on it like this. Now I'm pressing it, and then there are the screen settings so on the monitor, and you can scroll it to the right. That means okay, move is upper or down, and to the left that means you exit it. Okay, now I press it once more time, and then go to the right and go down. Okay, now I want to change the image brightness. Just press to the right, and then press to the right, and now you can scroll down or scroll up to change the brightness of your monitor, and then you can take it back, or you can press the button to select OK. So press to the right and press the button, that means OK in the same way you can see here. And now I press OK, it's enter. Now press back to the left and to the left to exit. Okay, you can play around with that setting, and now I just show you just a little bit of it. And now that's it. That is all for today's video of the how you can find the location of the MSI gaming monitor setting button and how to use it. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.